Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add product name with price in Wix form. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in contact page. So this is our form and we are going to add multiple product name with price. So click on it and then you see edit form. So click on it. So we are going to add product name with price. So this is our contact form dashboard or Wix form dashboard, and then you see payment. So click on it. Now you see product field. So drag and drop here so you can add in your form. Now you see edit and then you see general product field title. So you can add title according to requirement, and then you see product. If you want you can add image. Now you see plus. So you can add product image according to requirement and then click on add image. Now select and then click on add to page. Now you see edit. So you can add product name and price and then you see three dots. So click on it. If you want you can add all text, or if you want you can check as default. So it's up to you. So we are going to add more. So click on add product. If you want you can add image product 2. Now 20. So you can add many product as you want with price, and then you see product selection option, one of each, multiple of any, only one. If we select only one, so visitor or user select only one product, so user can select multiple product. So it's up to you. We select one of each. Now you see, if you want you can make a required field. If you want you can add field description, enable or disable, and then you see advanced image resizing, image alt text. If you want you can edit. Go to journal. First click on save. Now save done. And then you see payment setting, accepting payment. So click on manage. So we are in setting accept payment. Now you see manage how your customer can pay. We are using free version. So that's why show manual payment. So you can upgrade your plan. Now you see start accepting online payment today by upgrading to a premium plan. So you can upgrade and then click on close. Now you see done with payment. And then you see back to form. So click on it and then click on save again. So after that we are going to close this. Now click on it and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to form page and refresh the page. So we are in contact page. So this is our form. Now you see product 1, product 2. So in this way you can add product name with price. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.